I am going to show you guys how I have my car organized for me to actually be able to live inside my car.
I just be coolin', doing my own thing, you know. Man, I'm just trying to be me, homie. This ain't what you see on TV. That life ain't nothing like reality. Man, I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to be. Man, I'm just trying to be me. I ain't faking, I ain't frontin' for the fame. When I make it, won't a damn thing change. Man, I'm just trying to be me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine, VibrantPeace. So it's not like a lot, but it works for me. I drive a Nissan Altima, so my car isn't like extremely big, so I had to work with the space that I have. While staying in my car, I learned a lot, like downsizing a lot, cause like I have a lot of clothes, and if you guys haven't checked out my video of me organizing my storage, make sure you check that out as well. And if you don't know, then now you know. I live in my car, and if you want to know why I live in my car, make sure you check out that video as well. Both videos will be down in the description box, so you guys can check out both of them. Alright, so without further ado, let's just jump right into it, okay? Okay, so in my front seat, I really don't have much. This is, you know, snacks, of course. And then I'll have like a drink. If I had a drink, I'll have like a drink or something here. On the floor, that's just a box that, of some things I had got from Amazon. And this side part of my door, it's scissors, some tape, and it is it's like a needle and thread, because if you guys don't know, I do still sell clothes on Mercari, so make sure you guys check that out. And if I need these items for like my packaging and things, I have those handy with me. Okay, so in my back seat, what I have is my covers here, and I'll also record a video of showing you guys how I stay warm in the winter time. So yeah, so this is my covers, my pillows, and this bin here, I got this from Ross. It's so cute. It's so cute. Fun fact, when I went to get my windows tinted, I had this box in my car, and the guy had wrote "Have a nice day" on here, and I was like, whoa, what? And I thought that was pretty cool. But I have this box here. I got it from Ross. I think, again, it was like, I think the price of it was like $9.99 if I'm not mistaken. In the inside, I have like everything basically I would have in my bathroom. I have tissue, I have like feminine products, more tissue. I have extra towels in here for when I need to wash, shower. I got my bigger bottle of lotion, but I do have a smaller container that I use, and I put inside like a travel bag that I take around with me when I have to go inside to change. I have hair products in here, more shower wash in here, more towels. I also have my jewelry in here, so I have like costume jewelry, nothing real. I have costume jewelry in there, shaving cream, etc, etc. So this is basically like my bathroom. Like, this is my bathroom. Also, I have here is an umbrella, and I have two umbrellas. I keep one up front and one in my trunk, so if I need it, it's easy for me to grab. I have my heating pad, but that'll be in a separate video. You see what I do with that. Okay, so on the opposite side, this is just a extra pillow that I use. I got this from Forever 21. I think I paid like $2.50 for it. It was on sale for $5, and I got it for additional 50% off. And I actually bought that before I started living in my car, and it's so crazy because after I did start living in my car, it was convenient for me to actually have this. I used it for traveling. Here is my cooler. Inside my cooler, you're gonna find my food, my snacks, etc., coffee packages. But again, that'll be in a separate video of showing you guys how I eat and how I and what groceries I purchase. And this back here, I always keep a bottle of water, a gallon of water with me, just in case. And then here, this is just like some bowls, because I do eat cereal a lot. So some bowls that I would have here. Typically, I would have like some ice in my cooler, but I don't have anything that needs to be kept cool in there. So that's that. So this is basically my room and my bathroom slash my kitchen. This is my kitchen right here. My kitchen, my bathroom, and my bedroom here, because it's my bed. And then up front, we're going to basically say that's my living room. Yeah. Okay, in my trunk, this is basically how my trunk is set up. This bag is my active bag, so when I do go to the gym to wash, I can just grab this bag and go. Yeah, and I'll show you guys how to get ready with me as well. But I just grab this bag and go. This bag here, I keep my underwears and bras in that side. This side, I keep like socks. This is Shay's bag, my best friend Shay. She don't know, but she's not getting it back. Yeah, and this side here, I just have a few jackets, scarves, and like belts. So this is like my accessories, anything I need to add on. And I have hats in there as well. So that's that. Over here, this is something that I took out of my little sister's car. It's basically, if my tire goes flat, I can use this to pump air in my tire. And being that it's cold right now, my tires, they all, not always, but they say a few times, oh, low tire pressure. So I'm able to just hook that up if I'm not able to make it to a gas station to pump air in my tire. I always have that. This bin here is basically clothes. So basically what I have here is sets of clothes. Like this is a one piece. These are like dresses. Over here I have like tops and bottoms, so it's just like outfits already put together, so you just basically grab an outfit and go. I would go further details into how I pick out my clothes for me to wear, etc. in a separate video. Over here, this bag has like more of like kitchen supply things. So I have like some tea, I have bowls, my forks, spoons, and knives. Yeah, that's just some food stuff. Some Ziploc bags. Here is like what my makeup is inside of. We're not gonna talk about this bag. I probably shouldn't be shopping, but we're not gonna talk about that. And in this bag here, I just have like smaller things as far as like an extra lunch bag for me to take inside of work. And then like medicine if I need like ibuprofen or something like that. So this is my medicine cabinet. Yeah. So in the back here, I have my shoes. You know, we got to keep it cute. I have my yoga mat here. That's my yoga mat. Then I have two jackets. Underneath these two jackets is a coffee maker that I'm actually going to be taking to my job, because I had 3 coffee makers. I'm taking one to my job so that way we can have it for like coffee in the morning, because we don't have a coffee maker at work. And then I also have another umbrella I spoke of earlier in here as well. Yeah. So that is pretty much it of how my car is organized. As I go along my journey, things will probably change and alter, and I might come up with other solutions that may make things more easier for me. I'll make sure I give you guys an updated look of how I organize my car. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap things up for my videos today. If any of you have any suggestions or anything that I should change or that I should continue to do while living in my car to be more organized, please leave your comments below. You know, help your girl out, because you know this is a trial run for your girl. So I don't have it all together, but this is what works for me so far. Yeah, and if you guys have any other ideas that I can do, make sure you just leave those comments below. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification button so that way you guys can keep up with my upcoming videos. And you don't want to miss it, because your girl got some things to discuss, okay? Well, thank you guys again so much for watching. Always remember, vibrant peace. Bye.